We've been training fellows in neuroradiology for over 20 years. We have 3 fellows in a 1-year program with the option for a second year if we have candidates who are interested in additional subspecialty training or interested in pursuing an academic career.
One of the unique things of the University of Florida that drew me here in the first place for radiology residency, and is one of the reasons I chose to stay as a neuroradiology fellow, was the large clinical volume. We act as a tertiary referral center for a large portion of North Central Florida, South Georgia, Southeast Alabama. And because of that, we see high-level complex cases in stroke, neuro-oncology, head and neck, cancer. And as a neuroradiology fellow, on a day-to-day basis, I can be involved in all of those types of cases.
The unique thing that I like about our fellowship program is that there is a good volume of pediatric cases. A lot of places, the pediatric hospitals are separate and the fellows don't get adequate pediatric exposure. But here, there is very nice pediatric neurology cases with very nice multidisciplinary pediatric conference to buttress that things that you see in your day-to-day work.
So our fellows, they do 8 months at the University of Florida and 4 months at the VA. We have interdisciplinary conferences on both sides of the street. So we have weekly tumor board meetings where radiology meets with pathology and the clinical services and discuss the patients and come up with a coordinated care plan. And we have strong relationships with our clinical colleagues working together to come up with the best plan for each patient.
Our university program here is a very cutting-edge educational program. We are probably one of the very few which has an actual online teaching platform which we give to other educational institutes, which we produce in-house. So the fellows sort of, get the benefit of those, plus they can get involved in producing those.
This past year, we started having our fellows have a home workstation so that they can be taking call from home on the weekends.
Gainesville, being a medium-sized town, is easy to live in. It's affordable. But the fact that the University of Florida is here brings so much variety and diversity that you'd expect to see in a big town, and it really affords the opportunity to have a lively, productive family life without the hassles of a big city.